Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a program called swapping of a two number. But before talking about the swapping of a two number, let us say we have a one glass of water and other glass of milk, and our aim is to transfer this glass of water into this glass of milk and this glass of milk into this glass of water. How you will do that? So let us see here. Our aim is to transfer this water into this glass and this milk into this glass. How we can do this? What we can do is we can use another glass. Now we can transfer this water into this glass first. Now this glass becomes empty. Now we can transfer this milk into this glass. So now that glass becomes empty. Now what we can do is we can transfer this water into this glass. Hence we did what we have to do. That is, we transferred this milk into this glass and water in this glass into that glass. So how we will write the program for this? Let us see. Let us say the name for this glass is A, the name for this glass is B, and the name for this glass is, let us say, temp. Let us write the code. So first what we did is, first we transferred A into temp. So the main code would be temp A, that is transferring A into temp. Second, what we did is we transferred this B into A, that is we transferred B into A. Third, what we did, we transferred this temp into B. So this is the what we have done. So how we'll write the code for this? So first, any execution of any program start with the main function, so we have to write with main functions. Let us write main functions. Int main. Let us define the variable that we have used. Int a comma b comma m. Let us say the value for a initially was 5 and the value for b is, let us say, 10. And finally we can print here, printf %d, since we are printing an integer value. Let us say we want to print a, so it is here. Let us say we want the next value into the new line, so we'll give /n, and for other, printf %d /n b, and enter this program. So will this program will run? No, this program will not run. We have to include the preprocessor. Let us include the preprocessor. #include stdio.h. So this is the end of the program. Now this program will swap the two number. So at the end of the program, the output we will get, the initial value for this a is this and b is this. So after the execution of this program, we will get a as 10 and b as 5.
Output for this code. So as we can see that the value for a initially was 5, after swapping it becomes 10, and the value for b initially was 10, after swapping it becomes 5. But what if the user wants to give the input from keyboard? For that we should include scanf function. So let us do that. Now using scanf, the user can enter the value, and percentage %d stand for integer value, again for the value of b. So using scanf, again the user can enter the value for b. Now let us execute this code. Let us say the value for a is 42 and the value for b is 149. So after swapping, a becomes 149 and b becomes 42. Thank you.